After his holy encounter at Bethel, Jacob continued his long, weary journey toward the eastern lands. Arriving at a well in a fertile field, he saw 3 flocks of sheep lying nearby, waiting for water. Then Rachel, his uncle Laban's younger daughter, arrived with her father's sheep in the bright midday heat. Moved by her grace, Jacob single-handedly rolled the massive stone away from the mouth of the well. He watered Rachel's flock, wept tears of joy, and revealed his identity as her father's kin. Laban welcomed Jacob into his home, embracing his sister's son with open arms and warm hospitality. Deeply in love with Rachel, Jacob offered to serve Laban for 7 years to win her hand in marriage. Those 7 years felt like only a few days to Jacob, driven by the profound love in his heart. Yet on the wedding night, Laban craftily substituted his elder daughter, Leah, beneath a heavy veil. Discovering the trickery at dawn, Jacob confronted Laban, agreeing to work another 7 years for his beloved Rachel.